In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordArt in Microsoft Word to enhance your documents. Whether you're working on a creative project, a professional report, or just wanting to add a splash of style to your writing, WordArt is an easy and effective way to make your text stand out. Let's dive into the process. First, make sure you have your Word document open. This is where all the magic is going to happen, so it's essential to have it ready on your screen. Once you have it open, take a look at the top of your workspace. You'll notice a series of tabs running across the upper part of your screen, commonly known as the ribbon. This ribbon is like your central command center for all things formatting and editing in Word. Now, direct your attention to the Insert tab located on this ribbon. Clicking on the Insert tab opens up a world of possibilities for adding different elements to your document, from images and tables to links and symbols. However, today, our focus is on a text feature that can transform your regular typed words into something much more visually appealing. Within the Insert tab, find the Text group. This area contains various options to enrich your document with text in diverse ways. Among these options is an icon labeled WordArt. It's time to give this icon a click. Immediately, a gallery showcasing a variety of WordArt styles will unfold before your eyes. This gallery is your playground of creative text design, offering a selection of styles from bold and vibrant to elegant and subtle. Now, take a moment to explore these styles. Consider the tone and mood you want to convey in your document or project. Do you want something fun and eye-catching, or do you prefer a more professional and understated look? Once you've made your decision, simply click on the style that resonates with your vision. Your chosen WordArt style will be applied to a new text box within your document, ready for you to customize with your own words. Remember, WordArt is a tool designed to enhance the aesthetic of your text, so feel free to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit for your document's purpose. You can easily adjust the size, color, and font until it aligns with your desired appearance. Incorporating WordArt can truly bring your documents to life, adding a personal or professional touch that makes the text more engaging. So go ahead and play around with the different options. Your document is your canvas, and WordArt is your brush. That's all for today's tutorial on using WordArt in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me, and happy formatting!